We are continuing in this class the matrices of engineering. Okay. In the previous classes, we have seen how to solve non-homogeneous equations. Now, in this class, inshallah, we are going to discuss how to solve the homogeneous equations. How we know that the equations are homogeneous? If the all the constants are zero, if all the constants are zero, then we call this as homogeneous equations. If all the constants are zero, then we call this as homogeneous equations. Now you see here what are the things we have to by heart or understood is, first thing is we must remember that homogeneous equations are always consistent. Homogeneous equations are always consistent. Okay. Now the conditions are, if the rank of a equals to n means number of variables. Suppose x, y, z, three variables, x, y, z, w, four variables. If the rank and number of variables are equal, we say consistent. The system of equations are consistent and have trivial solution. Trivial solution. What is the meaning of trivial solution? That is, all the values of zero, or all the variables are zero. For example, x equals to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0, etc. So if the rank of a equals to n, the system of equations are consistent and have trivial solution. That is, all the values of x, y, z are 0. Suppose if the rank of a is less than n, if the rank of a is less than n, then we say that the system of equations are consistent and infinite solution. Consistent and infinite solution. So in infinite solution, we have to take either x or y or z parameters as parameter. One of the value of x or y or z as parameter. We take parameter as k or k1 or k2 like that. So to take the parameter, there is a formula. Number of parameters equals to n minus k. Suppose n equals to 3, r equals to 2. So n minus r is 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. That is, we have to take one parameter, that is x or y or z as k. Suppose we are having n equals to 4, r equals to 2, then n minus r equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Then we have to take two parameters. X or y, y or z, z or something w as k1, k2. Then we'll get the remaining. Let me see this in the example. Now see here, let me do one question. Watch carefully. I write, because all the three are constant zeros, we say this is homogeneous equation. So for homogeneous equation, we take the value of a. We have all three zeros d, so we do not require to take the value of d here. We take only a. 1 1 1 2 minus 2 3 2 5 7. Now let me make this two zeros using r1. Let me make this two zeros using r1. So r2 implies this is 2, so multiply this with 2, r2 minus 2 r1. Similarly, r3 implies this is 2, so this should also be 2, so write r3 implies r3 minus 2 r. Now let me change this one. 1 1 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 ones are 2, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 1. Now here also r3 minus 2 r1, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 0, r3 minus 2 r1, 2 ones are 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 ones are 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. Now the next step we have to change this one 0. To know the rank, we are changing into equivalent form, this two zeros, then this 0. So r3 implies we have to use this 2, so multiply this with 4 with this 3. 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So multiply r3 with 4, 4 r3. There's already minus here, so you write plus. So multiply this with 3, 3 r2. So let me change now. We are not changing first one, 1 1 1 0 minus 4 1. Now 0 0 remains 0 whatever you multiplied. If you multiply this with 4 12, 3 4, 12 minus 12 0. If you multiply this 4 20, you multiply with this 1 3, 3 ones are 3, so 20 plus 3 23. Now what is the rank here? Number is left, so rank is 3. If we are having 0 here, its rank is 2. If we are having here other number than 0, then rank is 3. Therefore rank of A equals to 3. Now how many variables are there? We are having three variables, x, y, z. So variables are three. So this is the first condition. Therefore rank of A equals to n equals to 3. Therefore the system of equations have trivial solution. The system of equations have trivial solution. Trivial solution. What does it mean? It means that all the values of x and y and z will be 0. X equals to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0. Now see here, next question. We are having four variables x, y, z and w. So I wrote this matrix A equals to. Now see here, let we change. How is the method to find the rank? First we have to make these three zeros, then this two zeros, then this zero, then we can say the rank. Okay, let me change this one. R2 implies 1 minus 1 will be 0, R2 minus R1. R3 implies R3 minus, this is 4, so multiply this with 4, 4R1. R4 implies R4 minus, this is 5, so make this 5 minus 5R1. Now let me change the matrices. Matrix C here equal equivalent to, we are not changing the first row, 1 1 minus 2 3. This is very easy. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 1 minus or minus plus 2 3, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 1 minus 1 is plus 2 3, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Now R4 minus 4 R1, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 4 ones are 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3, minus 2 minus 7 is plus 4 to the 8, 8 minus 5, sorry, minus 5 minus 1 is plus 8, 8 minus 5 will be 3. Now here, what is the formula? R3 minus 4R, 4 is 12, 3 minus 12 is minus 4. Now next one is R4 minus 5R1, 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 5 is 0. Now see here, R4 minus 5R1, 5 ones are 5, minus 7 minus 5 minus 12, minus 1 is plus 10 plus 2 12. So here minus 3 minus 1 minus 15 is minus 16. So let me next step, let me make the other zeros. See here, now to next step is we have to make this two zeros. So R3 implies, to make this two zeros we use R2. So I directly minus, you subtract, this will become 0. R3 minus R2, 3 minus 3 minus 1 is plus 3 0. In the same way R4 implies R4 minus, this is minus 12, so this multiply with 4, minus 4, 4 R2, minus 1 is plus 12, so it becomes 0. Now let me change here, 1 1 minus 2 3, 0 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 0 minus 3 minus 7 is plus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0, this is also 0, 0, minus 1 is plus 12, 12 minus 12 0, minus 12 plus 12 will be 0, and minus 1 is plus 14, 16 minus 16 will be 0. Now see here, what will be the rank? See here, because all these are 0, we cannot count this 2, we cannot count. Okay, so non-zero rows are only 2, non-zero rows are only 2, therefore the rank of A is 2. Whereas the variables we are having x y z w, so 4, therefore rank of A is less than n, implies anyhow it is consistent but infinite solutions, consistent and infinite solutions, infinite solutions. Now how to find the infinite solutions? What is the parameter here? Number of parameters. I'll explain how. Number of parameters, number of parameters. What is formula? N minus r, 4 minus 2, it will be 2. That means for two variables we have to suppose some parameters k or k1 or k2. I'll explain how to do. You again, you attach this with x, 1x, that is x, plus 1y means y, minus 2z plus 3w equals to 0. We got this equation, x plus y minus 2z plus 3w equals to 0. Now here x is 0, this is y, minus 3y plus 3z minus 4w equals to 0. So see here, we are having only two equations where where we are having four variables. For to solve four variables, we must have four equations, but we are having only two equations. Therefore, we have to suppose either two variables as, let me suppose, as k1 and k2. We come here in this, this is lengthy equation, this is shorter equation. From this we have to take, let me suppose two variables as k1 and k2. I'm writing let y equals to k1 and z equals to k2. Now let's substitute here, minus 3k1 plus 3 into k2 minus 4w equals to 0. Now from this we can get the value of w. We can get the value of w. Bring this 4w here, minus 3k1 plus 3k2 equals to 4w. Now bring this 4, it will be in the denominator. So w equals to minus 3k1 plus 3k2 by 4. Now we got the value of w. We suppose this 2 as k1, k2. Now let me substitute here, we'll get the value of x. See here, x plus y1 is k1 plus y is k1 minus 2 into z. We have supposed the z as k2 plus 3 into w. 3 into w. W we have minus 3k1 plus 3k2 by, sorry, by 4 equals to 0. See here, kx plus y is k1 minus 2 z is k2 plus 3 into w is this one. If you take LCM, see here, I'm excluding this 4. You write x as it is. Now take LCM here. 4 into k1, 4k1, 4 into k1, 4k1, minus 4 to the 8k2, 8k2, minus 3 to the 9k1, plus 3 to the 9k2, divided by 4 equals to 0. See here, 4 into k1, 4k1 minus 8k2 minus 9k1 plus 9k2. Now let me solve for x. X plus, see, 4k1 minus 9k1 will be minus 5k1. 9k2 minus 8k2 will be k2. k2 minus 5k1 by 4 equals to 0. Now bring this on the other side. So last step. So x equals to, see here, if we bring other side, this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. So we get x value 5k1 minus k2 by 4. So lastly you write all the values of x, y, z, w, and we write where k1 comma k2 belongs to any real numbers. k1 comma k2 belongs to any real numbers. See here the next question. Determine the value of b such that the equations 2x plus y plus 2z equals to 0, x plus y plus 3z equals to 0, 4x plus 3y plus 6z equals to 0 have. First one, trivial solution means x, y, z all 0. That is possible if rank of A equals to n. Non-trivial solution means infinite solutions, for which we must have rank of A less than n. Rank of A less than n. Next one is also solve for the non-trivial solution. So I wrote one step. We wrote already A equals to. Now we have to make this one 0. 2r2 minus r1. This also 0. r3 minus 2r1. I did one step already. Okay. Now let me make this one 0. See here, r3 minus 2r1. 2 to the 4. b minus 4. Now next step we have to make this one 0. r3 implies r3 minus r2. r3 minus r2. So we left with 2 1 2 2 1 2 0 1 4. Now r3 minus r2 0 1 minus 1 0 b minus 4 minus 4 b minus 8. Now see here, first question, trivial solution. Trivial solution. For trivial solution must have its rank 3 because variables are 3. Its rank will be 3 if its value is not 0, because if you get 0 the rank will reduce to 2. For rank 3 this should not be equals to 0. Therefore for trivial solution b minus a is not equals to 0, implies b should not equals to 8. Okay, so we got the first answer. Second answer is for trivial solution, for trivial solution, sorry, for non-trivial, any infinite, non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution means this should be zero, this should be zero, because the rank should be reduced than variables. Variables are 3, therefore the rank should be 2. The rank will be 2 if this is 0, that is b minus 8 equals to 0, therefore b equals to 8. We got the second answer. And lastly, the question is solve for 9 non-trivial solutions. So if we make this one 0, what is left here? 2 1 2 0 1 4 0 0. If we make this 0, it will become 0. Now how to solve this one? Now again you join with this x, y, z. So we get two equations. 2x plus y plus 2z equals to 0. Here x is 0, y plus 4z equals to 0. Because rank is 1 less than the number of variables, so we have to suppose one of the value as k parameter. Let us start with here. Let z equals to k. K belongs to any real numbers. So you write y plus 4k equals to 0. Bring this k here. It will be y equals to minus 4k. Now substitute here. 2x plus 5 means minus 4k plus 2z means 2k equals to 0. Minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2k. Minus 2k on the other side plus 2k. 2x equals to 2k. 2 to cancel. X equals to k. Therefore, x equals to k, comma y equals to minus 4k, and z equals to k are the solutions for non-trivial solutions, or we can say that infinite solutions. So, inshallah, we will continue in the next class. Inshallah, we will do inshallah questions on eigenvalues and eigenvectors in the next class. Okay. So I request you all students and whatever what who are watching these videos, I request to subscribe this one, share this one with your friends inshallah, and like also. We are going to continue in the next class.